Bubbler, bubbler, bubblegums, all working codes in the bubblegums game. No, I clicked on optimized. Yo, I clicked on optimized. Now my game is gonna look like Lego. Alright, welcome to this week's mini update. Secret bounty board for a 1 in 80 million secret pet. Hatchable rainbow pet. That is insane. So there is a pet on the bounty board and it's gonna reset. It's gonna change. So you can actually find yourself like a crazy pet. Underworld lift. Lift. It's a lift. Wait, how do you get underground? With the lift, right? How do I get underground? There's gotta be like a way. Anyways, click on codes. We have to redeem every single new code in this new update. Update code 3. So we got the first code UPDATE. Update bubbler update. New bubble update. Baba update, guys. Baba update. No way, Baba update. First code is going to be update 3. I have already redeemed this code, but it's gonna give you a giant dice and 2 extra dices. The next code is silently sorry. Silently sorry. So that is the next code in Bubblegum. Bubblegum Infinity. Bubblegum Infinity. Also, if you want double luck, if you want double luck, be sure to comment down below Bubblegums. Baba, comment down below Baba. I'll be choosing two winners for double luck in today's video, so you can actually have double the luck in Bubblegums. The next code is going to be a very simple one as well, update 2 code. So that is the update 2 code as well. The next update is going to be secret bounties. Wait, oh, it's already here. It's already here in Bubblegums. No way. Right, the next code is going to be throwback code. Throwback code 1 infinity elixir potion, as well as the Lutzkly code. Lucky. It's the lucky code, by the way. Lucky code. And we have the release code. Okay, this is exactly how you type it. Release code. Okay, this is the release code in Bubblegums, and you can get yourself some free items inside of Bubbler. I did get some items. Wait, how do you check items? Okay, so I did have some elixirs right here, mythical ones. The dice. How do I use the dice? Do I just click on it? Yeah, like, how do I use this? A royal key. Okay, we got the royal key. And wait, what did I get? I just got, wait, light goal reach. Okay, we got free boxes. Anyways, guys, like the video, just comment the secret word if you want lucky, and watch the next video, guys. Watch the next video.